Hi traders, welcome to the video. Please pause the video and make sure you understand the disclaimer before proceeding. I'm looking at the US30. We've just traded into the US Open. What takes my eye here is this double top setup here, relative equal highs. And then we get market ranging, and then we get this move here. In my opinion, and I mean I could be wrong with this, I really think that this whole range through here obviously is generating liquidity. Well, it's building liquidity above. You know, like when you see the market set up relative equal highs like this, and then you see it push through lower low, okay, from here, liquidity grab, and then I think this rolls over. I'm actually short already, the US30. I entered a market sell, and then I've layered in above through this range, short. We've got this imbalance below, and I think this will, you know, I mean, it's pretty aggressive to get in at this point. You could wait to see if this starts to rotate here, and then lower low, lower high. Now we sort of start trending. That could be an entry point for you, you know, maybe a retest of this low. But yeah, I mean, I think that's the path of least resistance, given we've traded into a fairly substantial level here. I've pulled these three levels through weekly pivots. All right, so I'm just looking at this entire range as like a weekly resistance level through here. All right, I mean, that's what I'm looking at. If we go out, I'll show you what I've got marked up here on the 4 hour. Just been having a look at this from the top down. We've got this thin candle through here, imbalance, unresolved. Okay, so we've got a daily order block under here, and then down under we've got a 4 hour. I've just pulled this entire range, this support level through under here, key levels, and then we have, I mean, we've got this, well, call it support. Okay, if we pull that through there, this support range through here as well. So that could be a thing. That'd be target 1. And see if then it trades back up. So if we get something like this, trades back up, retest and fail here, I mean, that would definitely be a cue. Then my next target's going to be down in here. But I'm already short this, guys. I mean, I like what I'm seeing on the chart. I think it's overextended, and I won't ramble on, but I'll just quickly go out. Yeah, see that on the daily chart. Levels looking back, okay, resistance, this thin leg, and I think we trade back. Guys, join my Discord. The link is below. It's free, and I'm in there through the Asian and London session and into the it's a long day, but it's great value. It's trade signals, there's tutorials, everything's in there. Link is below. I'd love to see you in Discord. My bias to the downside, US30, that's my take. Have a great day, safe trading. See you in the next one.